Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Share your hobbies and why you like them.
Oh, I love cooking. There is something magical about turning simple ingredients into a delicious meal. It just feels like art, but with food. Sewing is another favorite of mine. It is super satisfying to stitch something together and see it come to life. And don't even get me started on reading. I can lose myself in a good book for hours, especially if it is a gripping mystery or a romantic novel. Traveling is something I absolutely live for, whether it is a weekend getaway or a full-on adventure to a new city. The thrill of exploring new places, meeting people, and trying different cuisines is just unmatched. Lately, I've been obsessed with making reels. It is such a fun way to capture moments, share creative ideas, and honestly, just have a laugh. Editing them is my stress buster. It is like storytelling in mini clips. And of course, music plays a huge part in my life. I am always humming or blasting tunes while doing everything else. Sometimes I try painting too, though I wouldn't say I am great at it. I just enjoy splashing colors on a canvas for fun. I love writing little journal entries about my day, my feelings, and random thoughts. It is like a conversation with myself. Overall, my hobbies keep me sane and make life so much more exciting.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial. Rajen Jani. Text. Microsoft Copilot. Images. Copilot Image Creator. Audio. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech. Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code. Google Gemini AI. Video Editor. Kdenlive.